Alright, so when you're building these bikes, sometimes you deal with a hodgepodge of bolts. This thing's got some American, some metric, some Allen keys, some 10 millimeter head, some 8 millimeter head. So the nice part is spec bolt. Get yourself one of these kits. Got all the bolts you need. Obviously, I've been using this as I build the bike. It even comes with a really cool little washers that sit in the fender. But check this out. I mean, like I said, this has been used because I'm building bikes here, but all these compartments are full. Sprocket bolts, subframe bolts, different lengths, spec bolt. Some regular isopropyl alcohol. All right, just gonna have to stay tuned if you want to see how the rest of this turns out. So we got this new seat cover to go on from Guts Racing. You guys didn't really think I was going to run that guy on there. I mean, it's not bad looking, but kind of digging the red and yellow. I think this will look a little better. It'll go with the theme. So check this out. Ronald McDonald in the house, baby. All right, so we're gonna try a new product out. The boys over at Takeoff sent me some of their adhesive remover. It was in one of the magazines, and I was talking to them over there, and it's professional strength adhesive remover. Read the instructions. I'm gonna spray it on here to get this swing arm decal. I don't know if you can see, a lot of glue residue. Let it sit for a minute. We'll see what it does. Smells good. All right, it's been about 45 seconds or so. Clean, dry towel. Stuff just wipes away. Wow, pretty impressive. I like that stuff. Thank you guys. I think I found a new product. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this rmzilla episode. Just doing a walk around here. I'm pretty stoked on the way this bike came out. I gotta give a huge shout out to Tyler at Mellow Designs for absolutely slaying the graphics kit. Guts Racing hooked me up with a seat cover that matches this absolutely perfect. I'm so stoked on that with some grippy material. This thing's gonna have some serious torque to it, so I definitely wanna hook up with that. UFO Plastics, Mika Metals. I have not put the chain and sprockets on there, and I lied in the last video. I thought I had a shifter, but I don't, so I'm going to have to get one of those. I got some Dirt Tricks sprockets with a Regina chain. I haven't put those on there yet, simply for the fact that, speaking with my powder coater, we have a red that's probably going to match the fat head and the smart carb really well. So, even though this is just a toy, I'm probably going to break down the wheels, do the hubs red, and I'm thinking black rims. On the fence, I got a lot of bikes with yellow rims. The last RM125 had gold or yellow rims. A lot of other bikes, the CRs with the gold. This one's got a gold rear, silver front. So that, one of my pet peeves, I want it all to match. So I'm thinking black rims with the red hubs, some silver spokes. I don't know. Play it by ear, see how it works out. Either way, thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate the support. Hopefully you enjoyed this enough to check out the next episode or the next bike build. Like, subscribe, share it. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys.